Innovation, strategy, union. Fundamental elements for a company to conquer the market with an objective vision and the confidence of clients and collaborators. That is the mark of a group born with human values and modern instruments, ready for a globalized world. ABENI Group, the newest Brazilian business group, which has the goal of strengthening the domestic and foreign markets with daring investments in the food, services, transportation, medication, and entertainment sectors.
A ABENI Group, ela tem como objetivo fazer uma administração de todas as empresas que o grupo tem, fazendo individualmente, cada uma delas gerar o seu próprio negócio. Então, o objetivo do grupo é atingir no próximo ano uma parcela significativa, tanto no mercado interno, Brasil, como também no mercado externo.
ABENI Group is intelligence. It is planning. It is a story that began to be written 9 years ago when the group's first company emerged. Uniflavor's Ingredientes Alimentícios. Located in Cajubi in the state of São Paulo, Uniflavors is a food company that produces the so-called foods of the future. There are more than 200 powdered items that need to be mixed with water or milk to be consumed. It took more than 30 years of research in more than 20 countries to generate almost 100% natural formulas. Uniflavors serves the Brazilian and foreign markets in the institutional and food service segments. But the factory is undergoing expansion. More than $10 million are being invested so the products can also reach supermarket shelves. In the services area, the group has ABENI Service, the international strategy and business agency. It has the role of facilitating the relationship of Brazilian companies with international corporations, permitting the negotiation of products and services. ABENI Service has offices throughout Brazil, and it works through studies and consulting with the best strategies so clients can achieve their objectives. And that's not all. The company has begun to operate in the domestic market with the same renowned quality, supporting corporations and governments in its business line. ABENI Logistic is a transportation company. Initially created to meet the group's demands, today it operates throughout the country with the leasing of vans, passenger cars, trucks, intermediating aircraft and industrial equipment rentals for companies. ABENI Logistic started with a simple interest: invest in transportation solutions for locations receiving group investments, such as the city of Olympia in the state of São Paulo. In this beautiful city, the Beco da Lua Inn has just integrated our business. Set in a natural environment with a charming colonial structure, Beco da Lua Inn offers quality service with cozy rooms, air conditioning, and TV, as well as equilibrium activities such as yoga. Over coming years, $15 million will be invested for the construction of more than 300 rooms to serve the growing demand of tourists who arrive in Olympia in search of the almost 40 degrees Celsius waters at the Termas dos Laranjais Club. And the folklore presentations. The city is the national capital of folklore and receives thousands of visitors every year. Airtex is another of the group's companies. It operates in aircraft manufacturing, maintenance, and repair. With its headquarters in São José dos Campos in the state of São Paulo, Airtex serves the Brazilian and foreign markets with investments that total $35 million. Our platform currently manufactures aircraft for agriculture and civil or military training. The industry has ISO 9001 certification, and it has also been certified by DRIMAP and the National Civil Aviation Agency. In 2005, it achieved the most demanding requirement of the aerospace quality system, the NBR 15100 AS 9100 2004 certificate. In the medication segment, we have Pharma. With its headquarters in Olympia, the company distributes generic medication from Brazil's 5 biggest laboratories. With a modern system where the commercial manager places the order with the client, and in seconds it arrives at the deposit for shipping, the company serves pharmacies, hospitals, and public entities. By 2010, it shall reach 100 cities in the region with earnings of around $2 million. With all these companies, the ABENI Group generates 250 direct jobs and 500 indirect jobs in the cities in which it operates. And it intends to double these numbers in 2010 when group investments should reach $60 million.
O importante desse grupo, desse grande grupo que é a ABENI, é a geração de emprego, é aquilo que os políticos e os governos buscam, a quantidade de emprego, o crescimento da cidade onde elas estão instaladas, e é uma parceria que está dando certo, uma parceria muito interessante. Os executivos que fazem parte dessas empresas são excelentes executivos e com certeza vamos crescer mais e mais cada ano que passar.
And it doesn't stop there. Like a strategy group, ABENI Group works with a vision of the future, a focus on new markets. That's why it shall begin its operations in the administration of stadiums and soccer teams, as well as engage in the exchange of soccer players abroad. Meanwhile, it kicks off a project for the construction of an airport in Olympia in the state of São Paulo, which will further facilitate access by tourists and clients to our companies, not to mention the transportation of merchandise. With its concern in serving society as a whole, ABENI does not forget to help its neighbor, and it invests in culture, the environment, and social responsibility through actions like the distribution of eyeglasses for children in one of the cities in which it operates. The growth in the sizes of organizations and the accelerated pace of economic and social changes have demanded greater capacity in programming strategies to overcome market challenges. ABENI Group is strong in that context, adopting an attitude of continuous innovation and adaptation, transmitting knowledge to its clients. ABENI Group, the newest business group for a global world.